Hello! Today on Ramblings with Rebecca, an outpouring of patriotism! Not that there's anything wrong with patriotism, I just thought it would be a useful hint to know what we're going to talk about today. I'm Rebecca Farnum, this is Ramblings with Rebecca, and today, SCOTUS. What? What the heck actually happened with gay people yesterday in America, or something? My Facebook feed was blowing up! In all seriousness, no, I've had several questions about what actually did happen and what didn't happen and that kind of thing. So, here we go. Yesterday, SCOTUS, the Supreme Court of the United States, ruled that DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, was unconstitutional under the Fifth Amendment. What is DOMA, you ask? DOMA was signed into law in 1996 by President Bill Clinton. It denied certain federal rights to gay married couples, even if they were legally married in states. The right to decide whether or not gay marriage is legal is given to states in the U.S. However, DOMA forbade certain things that happen at a federal level, such as federal tax and estate exemptions, so married gay couples couldn't file federal taxes jointly and get those kind of benefits, Social Security benefits, the right to be notified and kind of next of kin things, so there are issues with hospital visitation, that kind of thing, and then in the immigration system, no recourse to visa help and that kind of thing. So international gay married couples, that doesn't mean anything. Previously, didn't mean anything as far as immigration to the U.S. went. However, yesterday in a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court of the United States said that DOMA was unconstitutional in America because it did not allow for the equal liberty of persons and was thus discriminatory under the Fifth Amendment and is nilched. No more zip-zada zone. So, no more DOMA. Goodbye! Because the way that the legal wording went, the way that it was struck down is going to make it more difficult for discriminatory laws to be passed in the future, particularly at federal levels. There was also a decision on Prop 8 in California, a voter-led initiative to ban gay marriage there, which of course had a very strong other voter-led initiative to keep it going. The Supreme Court, along with this strike down of the Defense of Marriage Act, said, nope, gay marriage stands in California. So several states in the U.S. now allow for gay marriage, not all of them, but some of them. California, as of yesterday, once again, it's gone back and forth a few times in the past couple of years. And then places like New York, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington, a lot of the East Coast, and in Minnesota and Iowa as well. Some others allow for unions or domestic partnerships. That number has been pretty steadily increasing. It's expected that following DOMA it will be easier in a lot of ways to get gay marriage at the state level. So, what this actually means in practicality. If you are already in a gay marriage, the federal government of the United States now recognizes your marriage as a thing. Congratulations! So you're eligible for tax and health and benefit exemptions and all of those kind of things, like any other married couple. But this is only true if you are legally married, thus living in California, Connecticut, DC, Delaware, blah blah blah. That 14 states. If you are in a gay relationship and want to get married, this does nothing to you, unless you live in California, in which case, because Prop 8 has been resolved, your gay marriage is a go-ahead. If you live anywhere else, it doesn't actually do anything to you in that we do not now have guaranteed gay marriage across the states. So that's not what it does. That power still resides at the state level. It's just that federally they cannot discriminate based on marriages as the states decide them. Right? So there's still an interesting double layer going on there. Obama is getting federal branches and federal systems to enact and implement what DOMA means, perhaps most notably benefits for service spouse in Army, Navy, etc. Will go forward regardless of sexual orientation. So that's all grand. And as I said, this will make it harder for there to be discriminatory laws in the future. And tomorrow, something that may have passed you noticed, the Voting Rights Act.